Salamat din sa ating mga handlers or choreographers para sa magandang talento na pinakita ng bawat isa. Talagang nagpasabot sila ngayong gabi. And of course, before we proceed to our next segment, I would like to call the hardworking, the beautiful SK chairperson. Palapakan naman natin to give us a special message, Miss Salve.
Officials at higit sa lahat sa mamamayan ng Barangay Uno na nanarito upang ipakita ang suporta sa ating barangay. Bilang inyong SK Chairman, ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sa ating mga kandidata. Ngayon pa lamang ay binabati ko na kayo ng congratulations. Patuloy po nating saksihan ang kagandahan at talino at galing ng mga mutya. Ang inyong suporta ay nagpapatunay na tayo ay isang pamilya na may
Konsehal Matthew P. Baldonado, Konsehal Pablo T. Bonilla. Okay, thank you so much, Sangguniang. And of course, our new councilor, if I'm not mistaken. Palakpakan naman natin our new elected. Ayan, hello po, sir. Appointed councilor, Sir Adam. Magandang gabi po, napaka-handsome. Actually, nakita ko na si sir kahit yung dati pa, no? Hindi pa man na naka-look-look yan ay talaga. Beginning with Mutya 1. Representing Liceo de Cabuya. Mutya 2. Representing from the Westbridge Institute of Technology. Thanks so much, Mutya 3, Grixie Alcala de los Santos of City Global College. And now, make way for Mutya 4, Grixie Turmaki Prima from PNR. Marie Sofia Juan-Duazo from St. Matthew Montessori and Science High School in Honolulu. Thanks so much, Mutya number 8. Make way for Mutya. Mutya 9 is Miss Francesca Virgilio Briones. And she's from Carpenas, Spain. natin sila. Wow! Your guys or ladies, lahat kayo ay talagang stand out ngayong gabi. And of course, we would like to thank again Ms. Rani Reynoso Collection, our official wardrobe or designer for this event. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sister. Ayan, Sister Rani. Okay. And of course, let me explain again our criteria for judging before we proceed to our special or to our awarding. Okay, for our production number, again, we have 15%. A casual wear, 15%. And a talent, we have 25%. And evening gown, 20%. Ayan, sino kaya sa kanila may pinakamaganda at magaling magdala ng kanilang kasuot?
Women empowerment is the foundation of a great nation. Abante, babae! Naniniwala ako na ang katatagan ng isang lipunan ay nakasalalay sa pantay-pantay na pagtrato sa lahat. Lalong-lalo na sa mga...
Micaela G. Segovia advocates youth development for young people to reach their full potential and become active, experience developmental progress by knowing and identifying their strengths and how to cope with their weaknesses. And I will use this opportunity as a spokesperson to become the standard model of the youth for them to grow as butterflies from being the caterpillars. By sharing my own developmental progress,
ating komunidad. Nangangailangan ito ng pagpapalakas ng ating Barangay Watch sa pamamagitan ng pagsasanay at pagbibigay sa kanila ng mga kinakailangan nilang kagamitan. Paggamit ng makabagong teknolohiya tulad ng CCTV cameras at online reporting system. Bilang
na ipapaalala ang masamang epekto ng teenage pregnancy sa ating komunidad. Ito ay nangyayari sa mga kabataang hindi maganda ang relasyon sa kanilang mga magulang. Kaya naman, ang magandang solusyon dito ay Alcazar, and this is my advocacy. Their advocacies are wonderful and inspiring. But let's not forget the person who wished us from above, and that is our beloved parents. In my 19 years of existence, ladies and gentlemen, who have been fellow candidates and audience, education is the key to change. Yet millions of youth worldwide are denied this from poverty and inequality. This prevents them from realizing their full potential and contributing to society. I propose solutions such as accessible scholarship program, digital literacy, and community engagement.
Jimena Lagoras, as a psychology student, I believe that mental health is important in our daily lives. Noong 2019, ang suicide ay naging ika-4 na pangunahing sanhi ng kamatayan ng mga kabataang edad 15 to 29 years old. Isang katotohanang hindi natin pwedeng baliwalain. Dahil ang mental health ay kasing halaga ng physical health. Kaya
is at the crossroads, facing urgent environmental challenges like deforestation, pollution, and resource depletion. The time for change is now, and we must act together to protect our planet. That's why I stand for environmental sustainability through hope.
But opportunities are even more plentiful. As a proud resident, I believe that it is our collective responsibilities to create a just, equitable, and sustainable community. I envision a community where everyone has access to quality education, healthcare,
planting program. We all know that trees play a vital role in combating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen, and providing shade that cools our surroundings. They help prevent soil erosion, reduce the risk of flooding, improve air quality, and support biodiversity. And as a candidate, I will promote regular barangay
Of course, our judge number 3, my beautiful Madam Mary Rose Aguillo. Palapakan niyo naman po ang nag-iisang asawa ng ating butihing konsehal, Sunny Aguillo. Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat at kay Kapitan at sa mga kagawad at SK. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at sa lahat ng ating mga kandidato. Salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin. May question?
Question, ma'am. Dahil napakaganda mo ngayong sabagay, wala namang kupas ang ganda mo ever since, diba? Naranasan niyo rin po ba mag-pageant like before? Nasali po ba kayo sa school or naging representative?
Ako po nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng kandidata. Nung pong magkaroon po ng online voting, natutuwa ako sa bawat komento, sa bawat pagboto, sa bawat pagpili kung sino ang Top Monte Choice Award. Pero never ko pong ginawa po yan sa lahat po ng competition na aking ginanap dito po sa populasyon ngayon. Lahat po kayo, choice po ng inyong kapitan. Wala pong pinipili, bagkos pantay-pantay ang pagtingin sa lahat ng kabataan at kandidata dito po sa Ibabaw.
Alright, congratulations, Mutia, everybody! Okay, top 5 finalists, please proceed at the backstage and prepare for your last look and final question and answer portion. Actually, deserve naman talaga ng lahat. Ganun talaga ang buhay, ang labanan, o ang competition, may umaangat. Ngunit hindi ibig sabihin na ikaw ay hindi nakapag.
I would like to thank my classmates, my family, and also those who support me. And thank you for all of you.
Okay, I guess you are ready. Are you ready?
Slide.
You don't have a choice. And at this moment, I would like to call Miss Rain Ulan. Ayan. The beautiful Rain. Our baby bonnet. Okay, pick your judge. Ikinaklaro lang natin na ida, okay? Para maging patas lahat ng laban. Okay!
Hello? Tingaw Festival is commonly known as the festival here in Cabuyao City. So, as mutya ng Poblacion 1, if you were given a chance to create a festival named here in Poblacion 1, what would it be and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If I were to create a festival here in Barangay Uno, it would be Ani at Saya Festival. Dahil ang ani ay sumisimbolo sa kasipagan at kasaganahan ng ating barangay. Meanwhile, ang saya ay nakukuha sa pagkakaisa at ang kasayahan ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Hindi lang basta Pilipino, kundi Barangay Uno. Salamat po. And
alright, thank you so much. Mutia, number 7. Ayan, makakahinga ka na. Proceed to the backstage and take a rest. Pick your judge number. Okay, you pick judge number 3. Beautiful, my beautiful Madam Mary Rose Aguillo.
Hello, candidate number 3. Good evening. Hello. Over here. Over here.
Hello po.
Hi, good evening. Here's your question. The Barangay Uno has this tagline, Masaganang Barangay Uno. So, if you were to choose a tagline for Barangay Uno, what would it be and why?
Thank you. While masaganang Barangay Uno is wonderful, I propose a tagline that captures our multifaceted identity. Barangay Uno, the community of hope, heart, and harmony. This tagline covers our prosperity and also highlights the values and make our barangay truly special. The hope we share, the warmth of our hearts, and the harmony we strive for.
Supporting me in this pageant, and to my friends na nandyan palagi para sa akin, my church mates, and everyone na sumuporta at hindi sumuporta sa akin. Thank you po.
Diba? Still I love it. Diba, I love you. Kahit hindi mo ako sinuportahan. Diba? Andito ba si Daddy? Picky your judge. Oh, nadance pa siya. Diba? Para mahala at ginigising tayo ni Miss Ray. Okay. You pick judge number. Our chairman of the board, judge number 5, the beautiful.
I would say, Barangay Uno is a mapagpalang barangay. Because we are the home of churches like St. Polycarp and St. Clair. And the people of Barangay Uno do not forget to support the activities of those churches. And I can see for myself that the people of Barangay Uno does not forget about the churches and God. And I believe that is why Barangay Uno is a mapagpalang barangay. And
Family and to my friends, yun lang po.
Yun lang po. Okay, mukhang handang-handa ka na rin. Again, Miss Ray. And pick your judge number, Mutia number 8.
This is because the Aguila symbolizes courage and leadership. Barangay Uno, like the Aguila, is ready to lead, provide guidance, and foster a community that is compassionate and purpose-driven for the advancement of everyone. In Barangay Uno...
Your judge. And of course, our last judge, we have...
It's more fun in Barangay Uno because of our community, our people who look out for each other, our festivals, our... Look at the streets, so colorful streets. And to the colorful street, from the lively festivals to the bustling market, from the warm smile of our residents. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Mutia.
susubukan. Ang mga salitang yan ang aking naging inspirasyon kung paano ko nakamit ang koronang ito at kung bakit ako narito. Patuloy lang tayo mangarap at sumubok sa bawat hamon ng ating buhay. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos, sa aking pamilya, sa aking kasintahan, pero kamat sa tiwala at dedikasyon upang makamit ang tagumpay na ito bilang isang mutya ng Poblasyon 1 2023. Makalipas ang isang taon, ngunit ako ay naging matatag, nagpatuloy at sa pangalawang pagkakataon, ako ay mapalad na nanalo at naging mutya ng Poblasyon 1 noong 2023. Ngayon pa lang, binabati ko na kayo ng congratulations. Dahil ang pagtuntong pa lang sa entabladong ito at pagharap sa maraming tao ay isang patunay na kayo ay isang panalo. Proud na proud ako sa inyong lahat dahil hindi madali ang tumayo sa maraming tao.
Ngayong gabi ay ipuputo mo na ang iyong corona sa iyong successor.
Na magkaroon sila ng crown. I think everyone or every girl who joined this pageant tonight is all winners. Thank you.
Wow naman. Alam mo may resemblance ka kay Moira. Ay, hindi kay Moira, kay Morissette Amo. Ayan, sa malapitan. Okay? Thank you so much, Miss Paulette Nicole. Tama? Okay. And of course, our mutya ng Barangay 1 2023 first runner-up, Maria Carla Jane Mendoza.
Binabati ko po pala yung mga SK and mga konsehalan ng kapitan. Of course, my girlfriend, Erica Moreto, and Ma'am Risa Dalano. Big Bro, alam niyo na, punta kayo sa Big Bro.
Diba? Kaya pala, score of 83.8%. Again, yung mutya ng Barangay 1 2025, fourth runner-up goes to mutya number number 9, Francesca Briones. Okay, congratulations, mutya number 9.
Doon ka lang sa gilid na. Tukatong ka.
Next award, we have third runner-up. And to present the award for our mutya ng Barangay 1 2025 third runner-up, I would like to call Consial Pablo Bonilla and SK Stephen De La Torre. And of course, I would like to call Miss Hazel Almadores. And of course, our third runner-up will be receiving a sash, a bouquet of flowers, and a cash prize. Our third, or mutya ng Barangay 1 2025, third runner-up with an average score of 85.34%. Your mutya ng Barangay 1 2025, third runner-up goes to mutya number number 7, Irish Christine May Lantos. Thank you so much, presenters. And congratulations, Mundial number 7. Okay, at this moment, I will announce our Mundial ng Barangay Uno 2025 second runner-up. To present the award for our second runner-up, I would like to call one of the judges. One of the judges, Dolby Sarmiento and Danica Tonez. Mundial ng Barangay Uno, second runner-up, Paulette Nicola Torrecano. And of course, I would like to call Ms. Anya Bienes to present the award. And our second runner-up will be receiving a cash prize, a bouquet of flowers, and of course, a crown by Luna Creation. With a voucher from Big Brooks. Kaya maraming salamat. Okay, this is it. Who do you think? People of Barangay Uno, award Mundial ng Barangay Uno, second runner-up. Sino sa tingin nyo? And of course, our second runner-up with an average score of 87.8%. Our Mundial ng Barangay Uno 2025 second runner-up goes to Mundial number Mundial number 1, Cassandra Janelle de Sabo. The moment of truth, guys. Listen, guys. Of course, I would like to call the presenters for our first runner-up. Madam Rose and Sir Gilbert Belen. And of course, our Mundial ng Barangay Uno 2024 first runner-up. And Ms. Leia Maureen Gomez. Tawagin na rin natin ang presenters natin for Mundial ng Barangay Uno 2025. And of course, I would like to call Ms. Pe Melendez for Pepa Empanada to present the award for our first runner-up. And at this moment, I would like to call the presenters for Mundial ng Barangay Uno 2025 title holder. Cristel Galano, our chairman of the board, Kapitan Monte Bienes. And of course, Mutya ng Uno 2024 title holder, Kyla de la Cruz Alag and Kapitana Betty Bienes. Kaya kumpletin muna natin ang ating presenters. And of course, our first runner-up who will receive a cash, a bouquet of flowers, a sash, and a crown by Luna Creation. Also, our Mutya ng Barangay Uno 2025 will be receiving a bouquet of flowers, sash, a cash prize, and a crown by Luna Creation. Tayo ng konti dito. Okay, clarify natin guys. Ang unang ko pong babanggitin, numero o pangalan, ay siyang ating tatanghaling Mutya ng Barangay Uno 2025. So, meaning to say, yung hindi ko po binanggit o yung pangalawa kong tatawagin, automatic siya po yung ating first runner-up. Klaro? Okay. Are you ready, people of Barangay Uno? And of course, our first runner-up with an average score of 89.18%, and our Mutya ng Barangay Uno 2025 gonna be an average score of 93.16%. Wow! I-clarify lang po natin, ito po ay back to zero. Am I right? Back to zero po tayo, ha? Okay. This is it. People of Barangay Uno. Your Mutya ng Barangay Uno 2025 goes to muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta at manood ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po muli sa ating napakakisig na Kapitan Monte Bienes, and of course, Miss J. Manaxa, the one and only Jerry Pai Picache. Okay, this is it. Again, my name is Steve Ramirez Padilla, and I'm your premium event host of the South. This is it, guys. Your Mutya ng Barangay Uno 2025 goes to Mutya number Mutya number 3, Trixie De Los Santos, and your first runner-up is Mutya number 8, Janice Baterina. Runner-up is Mutya number 8, Janice Baterina. Two judges, ma'am. Ayan, our judges, please proceed at the center. Kasama niyo po ang ating mga concejales. Again, your Mutya ng Barangay Uno 2025 goes to Mutya number 3, Trixie De Los Santos.
picture.